Well, hi there, and welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So my wife and I were watching this series on TV about movies and how they make them. Some of the most famous movies you've ever heard of. There must have been 20 or 30 of them. And in each one of these episodes, they take you behind the scenes to talk about the financing, the direction, the screenplay, the actors, and everything that went into it. And you are startled by how it was all a disaster and how it almost didn't happen. And all the things that looked so smooth and so easy were just on a wing and a prayer. You think the whole thing were held together with duct tape. And yet when you experience it, you go at the very end, it became this amazing, successful movie. But to watch 30 or 45 minutes of their explanation of it, every actor was about to quit. All the scenes fell apart. They almost didn't have a script. The money all ran out. Why do I tell you this? Because the dirty secret of growing and building a successful cleaning business may be very much like that. It is a messy, with lots of failure and lots of problems, from money to systems to people to everything that can go wrong, even though you're trying to implement a plan. I'm not saying you're being chaotic, but you're trying to implement a plan, and yet even with the best of intentions, sometimes folks give the impression that it's going to be just follow these steps and you can build a cleaning company. It's not a problem at all. Well, that's the way they felt in the movies too. They felt, well, they've done this. These were experienced people to produce movies, but they still had tons of problems, and you wouldn't even believe that the net result, which is wonderful, came from what they did. Same thing with your cleaning business. Remember to allow yourself some freedom and some forgiveness here, that you're going to run into a real mess when it comes to many things. You're going to trip up on those, but they're the stories that you'll have later on for sure, and they're your hard-fought battles that you'll remember. And then someday you'll look back and you go, yeah, we have this, and someone will say, what a great cleaning business you have. And you'll go, yes, it is great, and with a lot of good people and systems, but you'll remember back to how messy the whole process was. It's okay. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.